Hidden among the Bavarian Alps near Schwangau, Hohenschwangau Castle was the childhood home of the king who would later dream of building one of the world's most famous castles. Overlooking alpine lakes and forests, the castle feels like the beginning of a fairy tale story. The current castle was rebuilt in the 19th century by Maximilian II of Bavaria on the ruins of a medieval fortress. Designed in a romantic Gothic style, it became a royal summer residence where the Bavarian royal family would spend time surrounded by nature and legend. Just above the nearby valley, a path leads to Marienbrücke, a famous bridge spanning the Pöllert Gorge. From here, one of the most iconic views in Germany comes into sight: Neuschwanstein Castle, rising dramatically above the forested cliffs. Commissioned by Ludwig II of Bavaria, Neuschwanstein Castle was inspired by medieval legends and romantic ideals. Its proximity to Hohenschwangau reveals a powerful contrast: one, a real royal residence; the other, a dreamlike vision that would become one of the most famous castles in the world. Back at Hohenschwangau, the castle itself is richly decorated with murals depicting German legends and heroic tales, many of which influenced Ludwig II during his youth. These stories shaped his fascination with myth, architecture, and grand design. Today, Hohenschwangau Castle welcomes visitors into the world that inspired a king's imagination. With views of nearby Neuschwanstein and the surrounding Alps, it stands not only as a historic residence, but as the beginning of one of Europe's greatest architectural dreams.